Is in the bar of intercession. The water must flow from this place. The water must flow from this place. The water must flow in this place. Out of this place must flow the water, the water, the water, living water, the water, even water. The water as the water flows out of Eden, so waters will flow from this place. We raise in the bar, raise in the bar. Raising the bar of intercession, raising the bar, we're raising the bar, we're raising the bar of intercession, we're raising the bar, we're raising the bar, we're raising the bar of intercession, we're raising the bar, we're raising the bar. We raise in the bar of intercession. Yes. Let there be no casualty. Yes. There will be no remains from this world. We'll see healing, deliverance, salvation, strongholds breaking, signs and wonders. We promised in 37 years. Signs and wonders. Yes. Been to the fullness of affliction, but we still stand. Yes. We'll stand on the wall as watchmen until water flows from the slave. Yes. We'll stand as watchmen. We'll stand as watchmen on the wall until water flows from the slave. I have nothing against men. The water. I love them. The water. We are filled. The water must flow every day from the slave. Scandals from men. The water. Dishonoring the water will flow from the slave. Constantly hearing because they are built tall without you. Yes, you. It is place that you build make the foundation of the righteous be shaken.
Ezekiel 47.
Yes.
The water must flow from this place. We ask for perseverance. We ask for supernatural strength. We ask to be resilient, diligent in the place of prayer. Oh, we raise in the banner of intercession. Jehovah Nissi, arise. Lord of the banner, arise in this place. Jehovah Nissi, Lord of the banner, arise, arise, arise from this place, from this place.
Yes,
The water,
flow in this place.
the water flowing from the flame,
Restore.
from the altar. Let it flow, let it flow to the overflow.
The river never come down.
Rivers flowing, rivers flowing, rivers flowing out from this place. Rivers flowing, rivers flowing, rivers flowing out of this place. Flowing from the altar over the pews. Let it flow. Let it flow. Overflow. Overflow in this place.
Yes.
Afterward, he brought me again unto the door of the house. Behold, the waters issued out from under the threshold. Water flowed from the threshold of this place, from beneath the altar. Let water flow, issue out, flow out to the overflow, to the overflow. For the forefront of the house stood toward the east gate. Water must flow from east Caribbean, as the water flowed from the east gate, so water must flow from here. Then he brought me out of the way of the gate, and the man measured the line in his hand, went for eastward. He measured 1,000 cubits, and he brought me through the waters, and the waters were to my ankles. And then again it took me further, and the water was to my knees. Again he measured 1,000 cubits, and it took me further still, and the water was to my waist. And he measured it 1,000 cubits, and it took me further, and I could not stand until I swam in the river. So Father, we ask, as you raise the banner of intercession, let the water of your presence drown us as we walk to our ankles, then to our knees, then to our waists. But we want to swim in the river of your presence. River flow, let the river flow. 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 River flow to the overflow. River flow to the overflow. River flow to the overflow. River flow to the overflow.